If we told you there was a plywood available that was lightweight, ultra-sustainable, low-emission, structurally reliable, and provided Euroclass B-s1 D0, what would you use it for? Garnica Fireshield is a poplar plywood, modified using an innovative treatment that provides exceptional fire resistance throughout the entire panel, even after sanding or machining. It significantly reduces carbonisation, smoke development and flame spread with no flaming particles. As well as numerous interior construction uses, it's also perfect for vehicular and mass transit work, even offering EN 45545-2 certification for the railway sector. So applications are endless. Let's start with caravans, motorhomes and campervans, buses and coaches, marine furniture and internal linings, structural construction, wall panelling, ceiling panelling, doors and frames, exhibitions, indoor furniture, kitchen cabinets, sofa frames, shop fitting. Phew! The list goes on and on. It's safe to say, if you need a Euroclass B certified plywood for your project, it's likely that Garnica Fireshield is the answer. Available exclusively from our 12 distribution depots across the UK and Ireland, we can get it to you when you need it, where you need it. Sound too good to be true? Why not email us at info@lathams.co.uk or visit lathamtimber.co.uk/Garnica and navigate to the Fireshield page to order a sample to see it for yourself.